Hi there! Today we're setting up Vocabulary Builder on a NovaChat device using the LAMP Words for Life vocabulary. Vocabulary Builder helps AAC communicators who are learning words focus on a small set of words that are relevant to their immediate interest while keeping the motor plan to say those words consistent. Before you get started, first make sure the vocabulary file is duplicated. You can use this link to learn how to make a copy. You'll need to do that before using Vocabulary Builder. Okay, now here's how to get started. From the vocabulary screen, select Menu, then choose Vocabulary Builder. In the top right corner, choose the toggle to turn Vocabulary Builder on. Under Enabled Words, type a word you want to include and select Send on the keyboard. For this tutorial, we've added fast, go, help, me, more, slow, stop, and you. A few tips: if the word isn't in the vocabulary, it won't be added. To remove a word, select the delete symbol next to it. If you're planning to create multiple lists for different activities or communicators, you can select Save and give your list a name, and it'll be ready to use again later. If you're just creating a single list for now, you can skip the save step. When you're done, choose the back button or swipe up from the bottom of the screen to return to your vocabulary homepage. Now, only the words you selected are visible. Everything else is hidden.
You. Go. Help. Me.
To go back to the full vocabulary, just return to Vocabulary Builder and turn it off. Your list will be ready for next time. If this was helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more AAC tips. See you soon.